friends, this is Deblina from Shrinjan Dance Academy, and today I am going to talk about the types of tal. Types based on the pattern of a tal. Pattern means how you are dividing the matras or the beats of a tal. As I have told you in the previous lesson that matras are further grouped to construct the subdivisions or the vibhags of a tal, right? Now this distribution of the matras in the vibhags are not always equally done. In some tal, all the vibhags have equal matras. In some, their matra numbers are not equal. So depending on that pattern, you can divide your tal into two categories. One is a uniform tal and one is a non-uniform tal. Let me show you. Uniform and non-uniform. In a uniform tal, you will have the matras, equal number of matras in each and every vibhag. Let me take the example of Dadra, which is a 6 matra tal, and the matras are divided into two vibhags, 3 each. So one uniform tal is Dadra. You can take Kaharba, you can take Trital, and there are thousands of other tals that are uniform. Non-uniform tal, I can take the example of Jhap tal. Why this is non-uniform? Because Jhap tal is a 10 matra tal and the subdivisions, the vibhags of the tal are not equal. It goes like 2, 3, 2, 3. First vibhag 2 matra, second vibhag 3 matra, third vibhag 2 matra, fourth vibhag 3 matra. So that is why it's a non-uniform tal. Let me write and show you. First I am writing Dadra, which is a uniform tal. Okay. This is a uniform tal, and here I have taken Dadra as my example. Very small tal, simple. Dha, Thi, Na, Dha, Ti, Na, Dha. So you see a 6 matra tal, right? Dha, Thi, Na, Dha, Ti, Na, Dha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The entire cycle of the tal is divided into two vibhags. Here are the vibhag signs. And first vibhag 3 matra, again second vibhag 3 matra. First is sum, so I have put the sign of sum across below the matra. And in the fourth matra it is a khali, so I have put a 0, which is the sign of khali. And again the tal has to complete the cycle and come back to sum. So here again I have put the cross sign which refers to sum. So this is the example of a uniform tal. Now non-uniform. As I said, non-uniform tal, I will take the example of Jhap tal. Okay. So Jhap tal goes like this. Hi, na, hi, na, then ti, na, Thi, Na, again Thi. Now if you count the beats, you see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is a non-uniform tal because this 10 matras are not divided equally into 5, 5, okay, or 2.5, something like that. It is 2. First vibhag 1, 2. Second vibhag 1, 2, 3. Again third vibhag 1, 2. And the fourth vibhag 1, 2, 3. Now this is a tal which is an example of non-uniform tal. And if I go for the sign, then Dhi is the sum. Here is my second tali, so I will put 2 below that. Ti is a khali, a wave, so I should put a 0. And again this Dhi is the third tali, so I should put a 3. And then this Dhi is again a sum. So this is the sign of sum. So that is how a non-uniform tal and a uniform tal is done. Another two very interesting tals that you should know when you are talking about the types of tal. One is Rupak and the another is Teora. Both are 7 matra tals. Now why am I calling these tals very interesting is because unlike the other tals, Rupak starts with a khali. It is the only tal which starts with a khali. And the theka goes like this. Ti, na, na, Thi, na. Again you see this is also a non-uniform tal, because you have 3 in the first vibhag, 2 in the second vibhag, and again 2 in the next vibhag. Here it is a 0 because it starts with a tali. Then here comes the first tali and here comes the second tali, and this is again a 0. So this is an unique tal because it starts with a khali. Another unique tal that I am going to talk about, which is the last of today's session, is that this is Tevda. Okay. This is also 7 matra tal and again a non-uniform tal, and this is very interesting because this tal doesn't have any khali. It is consisted only of tali. See how the take of this tal goes. Dha, din, ta, te, kar, ta, ga, di, ghe, na, dha. So this first is a tali, again second tali is here, third tali is here, and then it is ending with a sum. So this is also a unique tal because it is consisted of all talis without any khali. Hopefully you have enjoyed this lesson. Thank you so much for watching.